Hello, hello, hello. How is everybody? How you doing? I've missed you guys. I'm sorry I've been away for a minute. I was really sick with a nasty flu, which took me out for a week. It was really bad. Hi you guys. And then I was celebrating my birthday, traveled to Oregon and spent time with family, and then spent time with friends here in LA. Whew, it has been crazy time. I wanted to talk about the flash crash, the cryptocurrency flash crash. How are you guys holding up? You guys feeling okay? Did you throw up? Did you pass out? I'm good. I love Egypt. I miss you too. Thank you, Rosha. Hello, Crypto Gal. Good to have you. Good to have you, everybody. So I just wanted to talk about this flash crash real quick because I feel like a lot of people get freaked out and don't really understand what's going on. No one 100% knows for sure why billions pulled out of the market. Of course, everything is always speculation, and no one ever really knows the future, because if they did know the future, then they would be the richest person in the world. So no one has a crystal ball. What I will say is that today is the Bitcoin Cash hard fork, and there's been talk that that's, a lot of political BS. People couldn't get along in the Bitcoin Cash camp, so they had to split off into two different Bitcoin Cash, versions. And if miners choose the new Bitcoin Cash protocol, they could be pulling out mining from Bitcoin and mining the new Bitcoin Cash, which could drop the value of Bitcoin. So I think some of the money being pulled out of crypto is anticipation of this, just in case this happens. If people were educated on what the Bitcoin Cash fork could do. So people probably pulling money out just in case, but a lot of it is we just don't know yet until we find out, what the miners decide to do. And so we'll learn, I guess, moment to moment. There's some pages on Twitter that are doing like a moment to moment analysis. Like I think Altcoin Buzz is doing one. I wouldn't waste my time with moment to moment analyses. I would probably just keep touching base with what's going on in the news, and that way what's going on with the Bitcoin Cash hard fork, and then the prices will move accordingly depending on what the miners choose for the Bitcoin Cash hard fork. A lot of people want to know what's going on in crypto, for the future and Bitcoin. Hi, Omar, I'm sorry. And thank you, Leopoldo. And John, yes, I agree. The blockchain technology is at a standstill. Thank you for the compliment, Omar. So basically, there's a rumor that Satoshi Nakamoto's wallet will be cracked open soon and dispersed, which will flood the market and drop the Bitcoin price even more. This is just a rumor. So, some people, make big decisions with selling and buying based off rumors, and some people don't. So again, just take it at face value. It's just a rumor. No one knows for sure, but these people that are claiming this have been in cryptocurrency for many years and claim they know Satoshi Nakamoto. What do you guys think? Do you think that's real? And what they're saying is that Satoshi doesn't like what crypto has been doing to people. He's making people greedy. So it's making some people greedy and then some people go broke. So the people that sold at the all-time high are, living life at losses of other people. And he doesn't like that. He said it's not what Bitcoin was intended to do. So that's what he's doing. I don't know why he would want to crash his own project. So again, it's like all speculation, and I don't know if this flash crash has anything to do with that, but it's just something that people should know. Something that people should know is circulating. So what I see the future of crypto is asset-backed coins and tokens. I feel like that's where we should focus and where it's going to be the safest, because the value of the coin can't drop lower than the asset. So asset-backed coins and tokens are the safest, as well as some residual income streams like investing in professional traders to trade for you, which I have something that a professional trader licensed and bonded can make you about 10% a month. I've been doing it for over a year. We get paid like clockwork every Friday from the trader. The trader is in a different country outside of America, but the company that he works through is licensed and bonded in America, which means it's a safer investment than pretty much anything in crypto. If something is licensed and bonded, then it's legit. And I know the owner of the company that uses this professional trader. So systems like that I recommend because it's safe. I don't recommend high risk, high reward. However, some of you want to know about high risk, high reward and want to gamble. And if you use your gambling money and have fun with it, that's cool. But I don't recommend people that, use their life savings to put it into crypto or anything like that. But you can make some good residual income with this professional trader through this company. You can message me if you want more information on that. Again, with this flash crash, I think that it will go back up after we have some understanding of what will go on with the miners in the Bitcoin Cash fork. I feel like it's just temporary. However, it might not be. So if you have Tether, if you are in a place on an exchange accessible, to Tether, then you want to put it in Tether right now during all this. So, any other advice? Again, I want to tell everybody I'm not a professional financial advisor. All the things I'm saying are based off my 2 years experience in cryptocurrency, both with making a lot and losing a lot. I feel like when you lose a lot, you learn the most. And I've made bad decisions. I've made good decisions. I feel like the whole gamut. And I feel like the more understanding you have in every area of crypto, losing, winning, all of it, education, the better you'll be at investing and knowing what to do in crypto. So I feel like me making a lot of money and losing a lot of money helps for people to learn what to do and what not to do, right? You can relate, says TB1. Yeah, a lot of people can. We've all lost a lot of money and made a lot of money. Crypto Cali, thank you. So again, I really feel like the future of crypto will be more stable with all the institutional investors coming in after all the foundations are laid for that. There does need to be more regulation because the manipulation is crazy and out of hand. Yes, you do have to learn from mistakes, Crypto Cali. It's essential. Like, if you haven't made any mistakes in cryptocurrency, I'm not going to listen to your advice. That's just what it is, And I made a lot of mistakes. So I feel like my advice is better than just someone that's made a lot. Because usually if someone just makes a lot in something, they had good timing and they were lucky. They were at the right place at the right time. That's usually what it is. So I would not take advice from somebody that just made a lot. And I have a friend that's made millions in crypto, and he doesn't know anything about crypto. He just got in at the right time. That's it. He just bought a bunch of cryptocurrency when it was like just starting. That's all. And he left it alone. It's crazy, right? Someone that doesn't know. So I have more wisdom than he does. So he asked me questions on what to do right now with his millions in crypto. So know that somebody that has made the most mistakes has also learned the most, unless they're just stupid, of course. If you don't learn from your mistakes, I don't know what to say about that. But again, I feel like the future of crypto is going to be more stable. Yes, patience is key, Crypto Cali. So focusing on more stable projects that are asset backed is my suggestion, because we just don't know how long this roller coaster of ups and downs and volatility and bear market will last. And my other suggestion is to leave it up to professionals, or invest in a platform that's low risk. Of course, you won't make as much when it's low risk. You won't make like the 1% a days and stuff like that, and programs that usually have gone down. But if you're in low risk programs, then it's consistent and you can compound and you can keep buying more and making more and more and more every week. So again, hit me up if you want to know my favorite system and what I like to use, and also my favorite asset-backed coins. One coin that I like that's not asset-backed is a brand new coin called Cryptic Coin. Thank you so much. It is the truth. TB1 ask. And yes, patience is the key. Cryptic Coin is a privacy coin, and I just really like the people behind the project. And they're listed on multiple exchanges now. I can't even keep up on all the exchanges they're on, but I know that they're on LA Token, and I don't know why I'm going blank on the other one. Xtrates? Xtrates. So they're on those, and you can buy Cryptic Coin there, and it's super cheap right now. I think it's like a penny or 2 pennies or something like that. So it'll only go up from there. And they have some use cases that they'll use them like at games and stuff like that. So I like that. Otherwise, I really just like to stick to asset-backed. So hit me up if you want to know some specifics for asset-backed. I have some good REIT ones and mortgage, even gold, precious metals. There's some decent ones. Some of them I still just stay away from because I just don't know enough about the company and the founder. But I prefer to know who the owner of a company is and what the project's about before I invest. So let me know if you have questions about that. Otherwise, I just wanted to make this a short video because the flash crash just happened and a lot of people are just wondering what's going on. And a recap real quick is number 1, Bitcoin Cash hard fork today. And it's up to the miners to decide the fate of Bitcoin, because they can pull out of the Bitcoin mining and into the new hard fork Bitcoin Cash, which drops the value of Bitcoin. And then the other is the rumor about Satoshi Nakamoto. So we don't know. No one really 100% knows why billions have left the market, but billions can come right back into the market at any day. So it could be a really good time for you to jump back in. No one really knows, right? So again, I work with a lot of whales as well. I have a lot of friends that are whales, and there's still a lot of buying behind closed doors and things that we just don't know about. A lot of really rich people are still wanting to get into it. And then one of my really rich friends is wanting to sell a lot of his millions. So it's just, we don't know. They all have their own specific reasons and individual reasons for why they want to sell or why they want to buy. No one really knows. But we do know at the end of the day, just like what Warren Buffett says, the best time to buy is when blood is on the streets. Just like when he bought Bank of America at its all-time low when the last recession of 2008 happened. You know, he is a really smart investor, and he thought, there's no way, this is too big to die. And even though everybody else was like, oh, it's dead, it's dead, it's dead, he invested. And look what happened. He made so much money from that investment. He's a smart investor, one of the best in the world. Just saying, you guys, just saying. Crypto Kelly, thanks for going live. I appreciate the insight. You're welcome. I'm glad you guys appreciate what I had to say. That's what I want to end it with. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you're having an amazing day. Thank you, Insane Brain Products, for this awesome shirt. This has my website, thecryptogoddess.com. You can sign up for my free emails. And thank you so much for following and watching and learning with me. I love you guys. Bye.